Welcome to June's Leetcode challenge. Today's problem is search in a binary search tree. Given a root node of a binary search tree and a value, you need to find the node in the binary search tree that the node's value equals to the given value. So all this is a binary search tree algorithm, and we're going to return the node as long as it equals the value that they've given to us. So we'll return 213. To return the subtree, all you need to do is return the node. So this is a pretty easy problem. Let's start with creating a depth first search helper method, and we'll call this DFS, and all we'll do is pass in a node. And what will we do? First, here's our base case. If not node, we just return. Otherwise, if node.value equals the value given to us, then we return the node, right? Else, if node.value, let's think, if it's if the value given to us is less than the node value that we're currently at, then we want to traverse left, right? So DFS node.left. Otherwise, DFS node.right. But one quick thing to note here is we need to return each time because ultimately we need to return the node. So we'll return everything here. And I believe all we need to do is return the DFS roots. So let me make sure this works. It does look like we return 2 and 3 and submit that. Yep, so accept it. So nothing to this. The only tricky part is to make sure that we return. You could also set it outside, make it some self variable or something, and then return that. But this works. So thank you.